Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. So I'm not clear on your question here. I'm thinking what you're saying is that while you knew each other for years and you got married, something happened, it didn't work out, you only lived 2 months together and split up. And you want to know what can be done in regards to either keeping the conditional green card or applying for the green card. Okay, so let's take the first scenario where you've already applied and you've received the conditional green card. Okay, and now you're split up, and you know that you have to file the I-751 or the petition to remove the conditional residency within 2 years after you receive the conditional green card, and of course your spouse won't help you since you're separated. So you can still file it, and you can file it by yourself. And there's different ways that you can go forward in order to try to get it approved. One is that you actually got divorced or will get divorced before you file this, and you file it with a divorce waiver. Now, the biggest thing to prove is that the marriage was bona fide. And in order to do that, we would have to show all kinds of stuff before you got married, which of course knowing each other for years and so forth is good, but we would need to have some decent explanations as to what happened within those 2 months. I mean, did your spouse cheat on you? Did you find out your spouse, for some reason or another, fell in love with someone else? Did you find out? I've had cases where they found out the spouse was gay. So it all depends on the situation. As long as it's legitimate as to the reasons for the separation and then ultimately the divorce, then you will be able to get the divorce waiver approved with, of course, also showing the bona fides of the marriage in the first place. You have to initially understand that immigration doesn't believe anything. And they're going to think for sure it was just a marriage for convenience to get the green card. So that's the first scenario. The second one is you never applied yet for the green card and you're separated and or divorced. I would need to know if perhaps there was abuse. If there was, then there's a VAWA petition, Violence Against Women Act. That's a possibility. Okay?